This video shows you how to find your tasks for the different people on your team on high level. So on the left hand side, the second heading is dashboard. If you click on dashboard and wait for it to load, you'll see quite a few things here. If you scroll down, go to the bottom right where it says tasks, and here you can select a user. So if you want to select the admin team, you can select the admin team. And here it shows you all of the tasks for this admin team and how many days late it is. So you can see that this task here is to call the patient to confirm the appointment. And this was for, so if you click on this task, it takes you to the patient. And on the top right corner, if you click on task, you can see all the tasks for this patient. So these are the tasks to confirm the appointment, and this is to add the client's invoice tag, etc., etc. So you can complete these tasks, and once it's done, you can tick them off here. And then when you are complete with that, you can close this and you can go back to dashboard and again wait for it to load. Go down to tasks again and select the user again, and then you can go to the next task. This won't be here anymore if it's ticked off, right? So you can actually go to tasks from your dashboard, as opposed to doing them from the emails. And it's also a nice way to see who in the team has outstanding tasks, and how late the tasks are, and just to make sure that all of your tasks are ticked off. So it's a nice way to do that as well.